matrices. First, you have to see the compatibility of multiplication, whether we can multiply them or not. Multiplication is possible or not. So, suppose matrix A and we have matrix B. Product will be only possible, multiplication will only be possible when, suppose order of this is 2 into 3 and this is 3 into 2. When the column of the first matrix and the row of the second matrix are equal, when these two are equal, then only multiplication is possible. Otherwise, multiplication is not possible. How do we check whether they are possible or not? We'll find the order of both the matrix. We'll find the order of both the matrix. If this and this number are equal, then only multiplication is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. Suppose I have A in the order A cross B and B is another matrix, suppose C into D. What should be equal? B and C must be equal, then only we can multiply. And the answer of A, B will have the order of this into this, the A into B. This will have the order of this into this. In this case, what is the order of this matrix? A, B order will be 2 into 2. Like that. If these two are not equal, we cannot multiply and multiplication is not possible. Okay. That is the criteria for multiplication. Now I show how do we multiply. Suppose we are having a matrix A. Let this given 1, 2, maybe minus 1, some 4, some anything else I am taking. B is suppose given like this 2, minus 1, 3, minus 4. And they are asking find AB. AB. So first I will write A and then I write B. A there is 1, 2, minus 1, 4. Here it is 2, minus 1, 3, minus 4. Now I will multiply. Multiplication, we do like this, row by column. We take the row of this and we take the column of this and multiply. First row into the first column, then again first row into the second column. So normally we remember the number 7. 7, do that like this, do that like this, 7, like this, 7. 7 is how do we proceed here? We proceed row wise, and this is what? Column. That is row by column to multiply. Row by column. First with first, second with second. If there is third, then third with the third. So here is the row and here is the column. Let us multiply 1 into this. You can write in bracket 1 into 2. Put a plus, and after multiplying, first with the first we put a plus sign. Then second with the second out here. Not this with this. You have to go out here this side, downward. Row and columns you have to go by. 2 into 3. Here I 2 into 3. So this is done. Now again I take row and the column. This column I will take now. First with the first, second with second, and write it here. 1 into this will come 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into this. 2 into minus 4. This row's work is done. Now I do the work of this row and this column. First with the first, second with second. Let us multiply. Minus 1 into 2, put a plus sign, this into this, 4 into 3. Then again row and the columns and write it here. This into this you will do, you get minus 1 into minus 1 plus this into this, 4 into minus 4. And now we simplify and get answer. 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, this is minus 2 plus 4 3 is 12, this is minus 1. Plus minus will be 8. This is plus 1 minus 16. Now here we put equal sign and simplify. 2 plus 6 become 8. This is becoming minus 9. This is becoming 10. This is becoming minus 15. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Understood or not? So we follow the number 7. If you exactly forget how to multiply, you just remember the number 7. That means row and the columns. Row and columns. Row by columns. Row by columns you do. That means first with the first, second with second. If there is third, then third with the third. We will multiply like that. Hope it is clear. Yes or no? If question asks you to do BA, that means B you will write first and then actually you write A later on. A, B and BA will not be equal. In matrices they are not equal, remember. Generally like what? Yeah, it will. So that's why AB value and BA value will come different answer altogether. So you will not do that. So you have to write first B and then A. In algebra, simple algebra, AB equal to BA, we know that. But here in matrix algebra, it is not true. AB will not be equal to BA, remember. So you have to do B first and then A and then multiply. Sometimes we ask you to find A square. It doesn't mean that square everything. It is not that. You have to write A 2 times. 1, 2, minus 1, 4. 1, 2, minus 1, 4. Like this you will write and then multiply. You will not simply square everything. Square. You will not do. That is wrong. You have to do like that A 2 times. If it is A cube, then you write 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times and then you multiply. 2 of them at a time you multiply and whatever answer comes with that answer multiply it again. So that way you can. So if it is like this, how to do? You know the method now. You have to do row and you have to do here column. So how will you do? First with the first, second with second. Multiply 1 1 is 1. Now we can do it directly because I have shown the bracket way, but now I do directly. 1 1 is 1. Put a plus sign in between. 2 into minus 1 it becomes minus 2. So this sign will change. This will become minus 2. Finished. Then this by this I do now. 1 2 are 2 plus 2 4 are 8. Right here. Again row and the columns. First with the first, that is minus 1. 4 into minus 1 becomes minus 4. This into this will become minus 2. 4 4s are 16. That we are doing is row by column. First with the first, second with second. And now find answer. Yeah, this is minus 1, this is 10, minus 5, and this is 16. 16 minus 2 comes 14. So this is answer of A square. Plus 14. And after that, if we ask you to do something like A square plus B, then with A square answer, add B answer. Whatever they say, later on you can proceed with it and get answer. So this is how we multiply two matrices. You have to first check whether multiplication is possible or not. And if it is possible, then you go for multiplication in this manner. Suppose I say A is like this given 1, 2, 3, maybe minus 1, 4, and minus 2, anything. And out here is given 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Like this. Can we multiply these two matrices? We'll check is it possible or not. 1 row, 2 row. What is the order of this matrix? 1 into 3. 1, 2, 3 columns. 1 row and 3 columns are there, no? 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3 order. And what is the order of this? This is 2 by 3. Isn't it? Sorry, 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. 1, 2, 3 rows are there. 3 by 2. Is it possible or not? Yeah, 2 into 3. Okay. This is 2 into 3. Why not possible? This is 3 and this is 3. These two are same number or not? So it is possible. It is possible. Now how to multiply? Again, row by column. Entire row by the entire column will multiply. First with first, second with second, third with third. What is the answer? 1 1s are 1 plus 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Finished. Now again I will row by the columns and write it here. 1 1s are 1, 2 4s are 8, third with the third, 3 5s are 15. Finished. Now I will be doing it here now. Row by the columns. This into this minus 1, 4 2s are 8. This into this is coming minus 6. Then again row by the entire column. Multiply, you get minus 1 plus 16. This into this comes minus 10. And now find the answer. What is the answer coming? 9 4 13 1 14. This is coming 24. Just simplify now. 8 minus 7 is coming 1. 16 minus 11 comes 5. this answer. So it is possible, and we multiplied and got this answer. You can check also what is the answer of the AB. I mean, this is suppose AB value. So what is the order of the answer matrix? Answer matrix order is coming this and this, whatever is left over. 2 by 2. Is it the order of 2 by 2 or not? Is it the 2 rows, 2 columns? Like that it comes. So multiplication you do in the form of 7. Multiplication you do in the form of yeah, that was a mistake, so you could have seen anyway. Right? Yes or no? Understood? Okay. Now I do one question and the rest you have to do one. I read the question. This is 1 year ICC question. They have given like this. ICC 2012. Question number 55. This is question number 55. And they have given like this. Given like this is given. They have given 2, 1, minus 3, 4, and this given x equal to this side. The answer is given 7 and 6. Okay. Two parts of the question. First, they are asking state the order of the matrix X. Order of matrix X. We write like this: order of matrix X. Matrix X is unknown. First, we have to write. They are saying just state the order of matrix X without any reason. They are not asking reason. Okay. So what is the order of the matrix X? I will tell you. The order of the matrix X will be always equal to the order of the after equal whatever matrix comes. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows and 1 column. Order of this matrix is 2 by 1. So order of unknown matrix will be same as this. Whatever is the answer given, the order of this matrix will be same as this value. And I will tell you the logic there. Yes. Now first we are writing the order. And now the second part they are asking find the matrix X. Now we assume let X is equal to, we will choose a matrix X of something of this sort. What is it? Up and down, that is here at A and here at B. Let X be A and B, and we have to find the value of A and B. Now I put the value of X back here now. Therefore 2, 1, minus 3, 4, and X values A and B equal to, the answer is 7 and 6. Let us multiply. You know the method of multiplication, row by the columns. First with the first, second with second. Yeah, you get 2A plus 1 into this is coming B. This is done. Now again I do row by the columns. This into this I do, you get minus 3A. This into this become 4B equal to 7 and 6. There is equal sign will make equal. This is equal to this, this is equal to this. I write it here. It becomes 2A plus B is equal to 7 minus 3A plus 4B equal to 6. Now I will solve them simultaneously. You know the simultaneous solving, no? So we do make two simultaneous equations we are solving now. Make them equal. I suppose make B equal. 4 will come here, 1 will come here. Multiply 4 to the 8A plus 4B is equal to 28. 1 into this minus 3A plus 4B equal to 6. Change the sign. This will cancel. 8A plus 3A is coming 11A. 28 minus 6 becoming 22. Therefore A value comes out 2. Put the value of A back and find the value of B. You get 2 into A value is 2 plus B is equal to 7. 4 plus B is 7. Therefore B value is coming 3. Therefore X is equal to, we write answer like this. This A value is 2 and B value is 3. 2 and 3. This is the answer. This is the answer for the matrix X. First we are finding the order and then we are solving it, assuming A and B, and then finding the value of A and B and putting it back. Yes, any confusion did you face? Do you have any confusion? Yes. Where is 2 into 3? 2 into 1 I wrote. What is the order of this set? That only will come here, always. Whatever is the order of the, after equal, the answer, no, whatever is the order of the answer matrix, you will have the same order coming. But I will tell you the logic also, why it is coming like that. I will tell you the logic. But the answer will always come same as this one. Okay? Yes? If you want to, because question is not asking to give reasons why you are taking like, question is just say, state the order of matrix, just state, just write or just mention. But if you want to really know the logic, then I'll tell you the logic. What is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is what? 2 by 2. And order of matrix is I take A by B. We don't know, and we take the values A and B. Tell me from here, multiplication possible when these two are equal or not? B value becomes how much? What is the value of B then? The value of B is what? B value comes 2 or not? And then, sorry, not here, made a mistake. Here. Multiplication possible when these two are equal, no, these two. This side will see, no? When these two are equal. What is the value of A coming here? Say. A value coming 2, no? How to find the value of B? This side answer will come, whatever is left over. What is left over here? 2, and what is left over here? B. Yes or no? The answer of this side I write here. Don't see this just now. For the time you don't see, write 2 into what is the answer coming here? B, no. Now if you compare the two of them, what is the 2 matching? B value becomes what? Then A by A value becomes 2 and B value becomes how much? 1 or not? So what is the answer? 2 by 1 or not? 2 rows 1 column. I didn't get it. What calculation? Finding A and B or X, what is it? Order of matrices, question says, just write down the order of matrices. You don't have to show this logic, how it comes. If question asks, then only we show the logic, otherwise we will not show. And if question asks you the logic behind, give reasons, then you will get, if question is carrying 2 marks, you will get 1 mark because you wrote the answer correctly, but you did not show the working, then you get 1 mark. But if question says just write the order of matrix A, just write it, this thing the examiner will not bother. Yes? So easy way of doing it, just see the order of this set and that only becomes the order here, always. And then you can find unknown. Okay. Suppose if they give like this one example, another example. Suppose they have given X and out here something given like 1, 2, 3, 4 and out here the answer is given like this 12 and 13 and this anything. Find the value of X. First write the order of matrix X. What is the order of the matrix X? You will see, you will bother after equals and what is there. After equals and what is there. What is it? What is the order of this? 1 row and how many columns? What is the order of this? 1 by 2, no? This also will have same order. Unknown matrix always will have same order as the order of the answer matrix. So what is the order of the matrix X? 1 by 2. Understood or not? If you have to show the logic is here. X value will take A into B. And what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2, no? Yes? Match. These two are same or not? These two has to be same in order to multiply. B value becomes how much? B value becomes what? 2. And what is left over here? Here A is left over and what is left over here? 2, no? Yes? That answer right below A by 2. What is the value of A becoming? What is the value of A becoming? 1. Then what is the order of matrix X? I have taken A into B. A value is what? 1 into B value is what? 2. Yes. So what is the order of the matrix X? Same as this one, same as this one. That's what I am saying. So state of the order of the matrix you can do directly. So now in your book I think I have given you the basics of all types. Please try and check and let me know if you cannot do any particular. If you cannot do any particular one, you bring it to my notice. I will do it the next day and carry on with the new chapter.